Greetings, watch lovers. Today, get another watch hot from eBay and bring you not one, but two vintage Casios. Let's get into these and take a look. Alright, so our first candidate. It's running. Got a DW 260. Pretty dirty. Looks like it's got good lugs. Still got a piece of band in this end. Take that off. And it's got some loose screws. Oh, missing a screw. It's loose. The back is pretty loose. Huh. These screws are like jammed in there though, or something. Glued. But it works. Look at that. This was actually a parts and repair lot, and said these watches didn't work. That's super cool. All right. This button's got one button that could use a little work. All right, that's not a problem. We can fix it. Well, that's better than expected. Let's check out the second one. That is very cool. For our second one, we have this one's a little nicer. There we go. A DW240. Japan. B. Very cool. Nice colors on that. That's a nice shape. Let's hope this one works as well as this one. This one you got the nice red outline, and this one's got a blue outline. They're both the HDs, the heavy duties. This came out before G-Shock. 260's got some scratches, but those could be polished out. All right, let's open up this one and see what we can do. See if it'll run. Man, it's really nice. This 260's already got a battery and running. Can't beat it. All right, I get this band. It's just pieces out. Can barely see the pins. There it is. It's in there somewhere. That's 240. This is going to be the big win in this lot. It's a nicer shape. Not missing any screws. See how it looks. Side. Covers on there pretty good. Yeah. Probably put on here. We're gonna find the original battery in here, I'm gonna guess. I don't know if this has ever been opened. See if we can open it up without damaging it. Exactly. It is really on there tight. It's probably the gaskets melted to the cover. These don't have an edge where you can put an opener under. I think they expect that the cover pops off. Ah, there we go. Whew. See if we can get it off without damaging the gasket. I can feel the gasket sticking. not bad. Here we go. Japan 1, the original lithium battery. Nice. Take a look at that. I think it's looks like a Matsushita electric. Very cool. Okay, pop this open, get the old battery out. Cool. Good chance this watch will run. Put in a good old Energizer 2016. Just cut this puppy open. Try not to cut her fingers open. Things are always so difficult. She's an X-Acto knife. There you go. Certainly child-proof. All right, flop that puppy in there. Seems to want to sit underneath the cover right there, like that. All right. And nice. We've got like some hair in there. Sure. All right. Let's do the AC reset. Is right here. 2, 3, and we should have some life. All right. Look at that. That is beautiful. Let's put the cover back on. DW240. I've always wanted one of these. I'm really happy to be able to get this one that supposedly would not run. Parts or repair. I love it. And one that's already running. Just too cool. All right, let's see how this one works. Nice. Everything works. Stopwatch. Reset. Nice. The light works. Let's see. Yeah. Looks good. See if we can set the time. All right, look at that. We're at 11:41. I'm wearing the quadrigraph today. See if this is. How high does this one go? We go to 26. Yes. And it's the 29th. All right. And that's the second watch in the lot. Gotta love it. This one needs a button, some button work. That's no big deal. Let's see, can we set the time? Huh. That button also, oh, there we go. Nice. There we go. Today's watch lot. DW740, in excellent condition, and a DW760 in somewhat used condition, but pretty good. And the light button needs some work, and we can take off this broken band piece as well. Huh. Came off without the pin. Let's find out what the deal is with the back cover. Pin's a little glued in there. There we go. Yuck. It's all oily and shit. This back cover is not tight. These screws are tight though, that's for sure. This one's moving. Huh. I feel like it's gonna break off. And the right style screws. Oh, we'll look at that another time. It's getting late. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Casio DW240, Casio DW260. Please like and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this. Thanks.